Welcome dear student in my course Determinants of Quality of Life. Today's topic is Understanding Preventive Physical Health. Content of this module is Introduction to Preventive Physical Health, Physiological and Molecular Foundation of Prevention, Lifestyle Factors in Preventive Physical Health, Risk Assessment and Preventive Screening Behavior Changes, and Technology in Prevention, Applied Prevention Models and Policy Perspectives, and last is Learning Outcomes. Learning objectives of this module is, by the end of this session, a student will be able to explain the physiological and molecular basis of preventive physical health strategies, identify the critically evaluate modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors, and a student will be able to assess evidence-based approaches to lifestyle modification in disease prevention, and student will be able to interpret screening guidelines and apply them to population health planning. They analyze technological and policy-based tools supporting preventive physical health. Introduction of preventive physical health. Definition and core principle given by WHO and CDC definition. Distinction between health promotion and disease prevention, and preventive health versus curative health. Levels of prevention. Level at primary level, focus on pre-disease and physical health, example exercise, healthy diet and vaccines. Secondary level is focus on early diagnosis as blood pressure monitoring, cancer screening. Tertiary level is focus on disease control, that is the physical health, example is rehabilitation, lifestyle for diabetes management. Physiological and molecular foundations of preventions. Exercise physiology. Role of aerobic and resistance training on cardiovascular fitness, VO2 max. Muscles metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Inflammatory modulation, that is lower the IL-6 and upper the IL-10. Endocrine and metabolic adaptations, exercise and hormonal balance, example insulin and cortisols. Effect of physical activity on adipokines and metabolic syndromes. Immunology and inflammation. Physical activity and immune surveillance, that is NK cell and macrophages. Link between chronic low-grade inflammation and NCD, non-communicable diseases. Lifestyle factors in preventive physical health is nutrition and chronic disease prevention, that is micronutrients, that means vitamin D, omega-3s, antioxidants. Dietary patterns, that is the Mediterranean plant-based diet. Role of fibers and gut microbiota in immune and metabolic health. Sleep and circadian health. Sleep architectures, NREM, REM and glymphatic system. Poor sleep and risk for hypertension, obesity, cognitive decline. Sleep hygiene, interventions and wearables. Substances use and environmental exposures as tobaccos and alcohol, pathophysiology and long-term damage, environmental toxins and endocrine disruptors. Risk assessments and preventive screenings is risk factor identification, modifiable diet, activity, smoking and alcohol. Non-modifiable is genetics, age, family history. Clinical and community screening tools are blood pressure, lipid profile, HbA1c, BMI, waist to hip ratio. CVD risk calculators, example, Framingham risk score. Role of genomics in risk stratification. Population-based strategies is screening program in developing versus developed countries. Barriers is access, caste, awareness, and cultural belief. Case study. Assess the cost effectiveness of mammography in a low resource setting. Behavioral change in technology in prevention. Health behavior theories is health belief models. Theoretical model, stages of changes. COM-B, capability, opportunities, motivations, behavior. Digital health and technology. Mobile health, that is the mHealth. Apps for activity, tracking, nutrition, sleep. Wearable tech, Fitbits, smartwatches, continuous glucose monitors, CGMs. Predictives, AI and preventive analytics. Barriers and enablers. Health literacy, cultural acceptability, motivation and sustained adherence. Applied preventions, models and policy perspectives. Preventive health programs and success stories. Blue zones. Global lessons in longevity. School and workplace wellness programs. WHO PENS package of essential non-communicable disease interventions. Public health and policy frameworks. Works. Role of primary care in preventions. National health promotion strategies, example India's NPCDCS. Legislative tools, sugar tax, physical education mandates and tobacco bans. Designing and prevention strategies is multi-level models, individual plus community plus policy, sustainability and scalability. Learning outcomes of this module is, after completing the module, learner will be able to learning objective number 1, describe key biological system involved in preventive health, example cardiovascular, endocrine, immune. Learning objective number 2 is interpret how physical activity, nutrition and sleep contribute to disease prevention. Learning outcome number 3, evaluate individual and community level strategies using current evidences and policy frameworks. Learning objective number 4, design and critiques preventive physical health programs in different population or settings. Key takeaways. Preventive physical health is multi-dimensional approach targeting lifestyle, environments and early detections. Scientific knowledge of physiological mechanism underpins the effectiveness of exercise, diet and sleep interventions. Prevention reduces health care costs and improve quality adjusted life years. Integration of tech, behavior change models and policy is essential for sustainable preventive health strategies. Thank you.